Lecture 11 Sickness and Cure on Dynamic Plane, page number 90-91.
Animal in this paragraph affirms that nothing except in the form of a simple substance can so implant itself upon the economy as to run its course as a disease, either acute or chronic. No disease can implant itself upon the economy through its ultimate forms. Only in its invisible forms can it so act. బయటికి ఫిజికల్ గా కనిపించే వాటి ద్వారా ఏమీ అవ్వదు. దాని తాలూకు వైటల్ ఇన్విజిబుల్ ప్లేన్ లో ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాని ద్వారా వీడికి ఎఫెక్ట్. All diseases known to man are in the form of simple substance, an invisible something that cannot be detected by the chemist or the microscopist and will never be detected in the natural world. Disease cause is known and known only from its effects. It is not capable of investigation by the natural senses and can only be investigated as to its results. Everything that can be seen, felt or observed or detected with the microscope is but an ultimate result. It is only by the understanding, by reasoning from first to last and then back again that we can perceive that disease causes are invisible. కారణం ఏంటంటే లోపల వాడికి ఇన్విజిబుల్ గా. The body can be affected, the tissues can be affected and ultimates can be affected by ultimates. There can be the friction between ultimates. Things in this world can collide with other things in this world and they may destroy each other. Ultimates may destroy ultimates, but such a thing as disease occurring in ultimates except through dynamic changes is impossible. Nor can any agency which is an ultimate act upon the human economy curatively, turning into vital order the innermost of life. Vital disorder cannot be turned into order except by something similar in quality to the vital force. మళ్ళీ ఆ వైటల్ ఫోర్స్ వాడికి ఎక్కడైతే ఎలా అయితే వాడికి ఎఫెక్ట్ అయిందో అలాగే ఎఫెక్ట్ అయిన దాంతోనే మళ్ళీ క్యూరిటివ్ ఏజెంట్ కూడా మనం పట్టుకొస్తుంది తప్ప అది క్యూర్ చేయలేదు సంథింగ్ కాదు. It is not similitude in quantity that we want, in weights and measures, but it is similarity in quality, in power, in plane that must be sought for. ఎన్ని ఎంజీ వేసావు కాదు, ఎన్ని గ్రామ్స్ ఇచ్చావు ముందది కాదు, ఎంత పవర్ ఎంత ఎనర్జీ. Medicines therefore cannot affect the high and interior planes of the physical economy unless they are raised to the plane of similarity in quality. The individual who needs sulfur in the very highest degrees may take sulfur sufficient to move his bowels, may rub it upon the skin, may wear it in his stockings, can take a sulfur bath, all without effect upon his disease. In that form, the drug is not in correspondence with his sickness. It does not affect him in the same plane in which he is sick, and so it cannot affect the cause and flow from thence to the circumference. So with all coarser drugs, they do not cure. We sometimes see the outermost effects of the disease located in the outer planes, temporarily removed by the lower potencies and crude drugs, but it is only as to the exteriors and ultimates that the cure is effected, and as it does not reach the innermost degrees, it is not permanent. కాబట్టి మన ఏదో ఫ్రూట్ డ్రగ్స్ లేకపోతే మాస్ డ్రగ్స్ ఎక్కువ క్వాంటిటీ ఉన్నటువంటి డ్రగ్స్ ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళకి తగ్గిందని అనుకుంటే అది టెంపరీ, అది లోపల నుంచి తగ్గలేదు కాబట్టి అది ఊరికే ఆ ఎఫెక్ట్ టెంపరీగా ఉంటుందంటే. In acute diseases also, crude drugs sometimes accomplish their purpose because the outermost which they affect is only on the surface and the innermost has in acute disease the tendency to go away of itself in his life, if his life can simply be spared until the disease has run its course, the patient will recover. అది ఒక్కోసారి వాడు బేసిక్ గా హెల్తీ అయితే వాడు వైటల్ ఫోర్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే అక్యూట్ డిసీజ్ వచ్చినా కూడా వీడు మందు ఎక్కర్లేకున్నా కూడా ఆ అక్యూట్ డిసీజ్ కోర్స్ రన్ అయిపోయేంత వరకు వీడు జాగ్రత్తగా సర్వైవ్ అయితే ఆ అక్యూట్ డిసీజ్ వీడు నార్మల్ ఇస్తాడే ఉండదు. But the chronic miasms are only reached as to their ultimate symptoms, and these are caused to subside only temporarily or are suppressed by the action of the crude or ultimate forms of medicine.